mosquito. I like this. I already cooked it, dude. Let me. Bad idea. Really? Ow. Ryan, that's definitely not safe.
You guys over here though. Alright, we're gonna get the game like 2 more minutes, then it's over. Ricardo!
Oh yeah.
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 Come around. How would we should do?
Vampire bites.
It's it's like a SOCON and
Oh shit. What? Raccoon? Stop! Don't point at me.
I love how you give the camera trained on me though. It's good.
Train on it. Hey, don't
we should probably get away from them.
Yeah. I think someone's going all the way around.
That would be an amazing flank.
Yeah, it would. Yeah, I can't.
Yo, shh, be quiet. Don't look at me.
Alright.
And I got a one bounce shit off of my face mask.
Yep. They're both walking out casually.
Oh my god.
They're dumb.
Do you play Halo?
Yeah.
Double kill coming up.
Wow, this is easy. Patience.
Have patience.
Get lower. It's funny how I'm recording us cheating. Did it.
I knew you guys would.
Oh my god.
I heard you.
Did it quick.
Yes, you guys wanted to right there, but I heard you talking. You should have. It was too much fun.
Dude, you got the crap out of us, so that was good.
Dude, we couldn't even tell you. It was so funny. I was aiming at you, so I couldn't aim at him.
We should have pictured one.
Team, Paul.
Just, no, I was hoping that you would take.
Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Go give me a clip.
That's it. You know what?
Go. Hey, who's still left on my team? I'm here, guys. Alright. On my team. I am.
Still have a shame.
Oh, are you in or out? Paul.
Paul's in, man. Yo, one just flew right by my face.
Yeah.
Dudley!
Back up,
Damn
maybe.
Iraqis.
What's that?
Damn
I think
Iraqis.
I'll get some mid caps for this. I mean, for the other one anyway.
Real men play airsoft. What are you doing? Yeah, don't aim it at me, please. First man out. Play soccer. That's embarrassing.
Put a bear or something.
You're joking, right?
No.
Are you serious?
You guys don't get bears in the city.
No, we don't. Like, you're serious right now?
Yeah.
Definitely never seen a bear.
Yo! Oh shit!